We've just acquired this lovely looking high specification Mercedes CLA AMG Sport, finished obviously in silver. Glass alloy wheels with the red trim round it. It's got park distance control, reverse camera, privacy glass and protection glass to the rear. It's just arrived. A nice AMG body styling kit and spoiler. It's missing the badge there, but we've just ordered that up. It's literally just arrived. You can see the badge area, the boot area is in lovely condition. Got full leather interior, black, red stitch piping and red perforated. Electric windows, electric mirrors, full service history. It's done 64,195 miles. Satellite navigation all configured. Bluetooth, reverse camera. Full media pack with Bluetooth streaming, heated seats, cruise control, automatic headlights, climate control air conditioning that's been really nice and cold. You can test that in this weather. 6-speed gearbox. It's in lovely condition. DJH offer full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.